Please, I feel like I'm in the...
Anything for the weekend, sir?
Be gentle, will you? Be back in the
Yeah,
It's like a fucking bull in a china shop.
Leave it like that.
We've got such nice
feel so
romantic.
This is abuse. Look at your face.
You know what?
Leave it.
You don't look bad. Sinead's dog. You don't look scowled.
It's bad as you think.
It's not going to be. It's not like.
We're not going to hurt each other.
It's not like a big job.
A big. It's worth it, isn't it? But kids in need.
Ian's never turned up, has he?
Oh?
Ian.
No.
He's saving all his jokes so much.
Feels nice.
Oh God, watch yourself, Craig. It's starting to like.
Will you stop that, you fool?
I know.
Take your ear off.
Marine look.
It hurts, doesn't it, when you rag it off?
It's not as bad as I thought.
Why is it bleeding?
Yeah.
Hey, oh.
Yeah, you're not going to need that next
I've got them all just up back here, Craig. If you
Hey,
just...
look at me,
I think it looks alright like
You've
that.
got a scar on your back of your head.
Just put in Steve Bird there now for children in need.
Well, we're second
Scout.
It's a cutting, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I don't actually think it's going to look
I
bad.
don't. Well, if you're
I'm just looking at people's faces and they're not...
Because it's off license tonight, they're going to give it in for free.
There I go. Oh, wait.
Auschwitz.
Help me, right?
Have money out at till.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what's this half?
No, I know what you mean. Yeah, I can't
Right, you've got to pay another 200.
I've got to go to
Half and half.
I've got to go to Concert Street on Monday.
Don't wear boots. Trousers.
Alright.
Need a bloody, sounds a bit, is it alright, please?
I think we just ought to leave it, mate.
Can you see what's inside?
In fact, let's have Arthur's money back.
Has anybody got Who's got some blades?
I don't know what...
Your next man.
There's more than 200 quid.
I've got a double crown.
Not anymore, you
think.
haven't.
I'll look at you all.
I don't think it's all bad.
I say it's not a problem when it starts.
You know what? He'll have to change.
I need a nut on today.
Yeah, so I'm doing that.
I said to him in car, it's
He looks
like
big,
that day. So I said, I you won't be able to do that.
You good, it's not hurting.
What do you think we're going to do? Hurt you?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, ask him to tell me something.
Alright.
Because we should have had it fairly away, shouldn't we?
I will, I'm not now, so I need good hands.
There's no pulling your kids now, is there?
Yeah, them days are gone.
Barber stamps.
What that?
It's like Joe Strum.
Georgian?
You know what I mean? So it ran it off down when I did it.
Bring you back old memories.
Yes, sorry.
The school's doing it all even, eh?
Yeah. I'm going to check.
It's shorter than yours, the school's growing it back again. Is it shorter than yours, Mark?
Same, innit?
No, I did Mark's number one.
Number one, this is it.
Yeah.
You'll not be as off now, Steve.
Yeah, that is one thing, yeah.
I'm excited. That don't matter. Well, if I get far, I'm not bothered.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot coming on.
No, exactly.
Not because
Alright then, well, when you finish your bit, let him know about
You don't look like the tour, actually.
Not this screaming, no.
You want your chin doing while you're at him?
You look healthier than Mark did when he first started.
Mark had bad flu at the time.
Yeah, poorly, didn't he? He just looked like drained and white.
That's a fair old scar, some scars.
It's like a bleeding criminal, doesn't it? Look at that.
last night he won't have to pay.
That big in that bag.
A break. I'm running away.
Obviously.
Can we call the captain?
Come on,
Mickey now?
Simon.
No.
And Trevor.
What's I think then is?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
mate.
Alright.
Absolutely, yeah. You look like me, just come out and clink.
A mini-me. He's doing a good job.
Yeah.
How do you know?
You are?
Just think, Steve, you'll be on next month's Murray Hills.
Alright.
Here's me.
Eyebrows, sir. Hey, hang on, don't get carried away.
Someone take me this down and put me in the safe downstairs.